Lastly, let's look at consumer lending ecosystem. There are many different businesses within the industry. They all offer services, products related to consumer lending. So if you are exploring career options, I would encourage you to look at all the businesses on this list. Okay. First, we have national banks. That's the large full-service banks, such as Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase. Also, we have some regional banks. They specialize in the East Coast or in the South. They don't want to expand to the whole country yet. They offer similar personal lending products. Also, you have credit unions. Credit unions are local financial institutions. The difference is that credit unions are not for profit. So that means they still extend the loan, right? Earn interest. Any profit at the end of the year, they will disperse that back to their members. Their members are their customers. So if you join credit union, so actually what you will enjoy is the relatively low fee services. Okay. Monoline lenders. These are lenders specialized in one particular lending product. For example, there are lenders only doing mortgage lending. There are credit card lenders. There are personal lenders specializing in one product. Fintechs. In the last about 5 to 10 years, with the smartphone technology, right, mobile technology, there are some technology companies, they move the whole banking model, right, so onto the mobile technology. So it's a tech-driven. They do not have the brick and mortar banks around the corner anymore, right? So they try to serve the customers' financial needs all on the smartphone. So these are the fintechs, but the business models behind the scene are still the same. Just the delivery is different. Credit bureaus, they aggregate the credit information of consumers and distribute them back to different lenders for their credit and marketing decisions. System vendors who provide the system to help lenders originate and service the different consumers. There are service providers who specialize in, for example, collections or customer service. In some cases, you do not need to do everything in-house. You can rely on these service providers. There's a credit card associations, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover. They build a network for merchants, right? Allow the credit cards to be used. There are various consulting firms who work with lenders to share the best practices to grow their portfolios. Then last but not least, there are regulators, right? So who examine the different consumer lenders, make sure their practices are prudent. There's no systematic risk. So this is the list of major players in the consumer lending ecosystem. Again, if you are thinking about a career in consumer lending, I would encourage you to explore all of these institutions here. So this concludes our module, Risk Management in Practice.